You guys know the scene from The Simpsons where Bart puts all the megaphones in a big line and then yells into it and it like explodes the town? Basically, I want to see what happens if you do that. I bought 6 of these guys. We're gonna tape them all together in a big line, go through, turn them all on, and then yell into one end and see what it does. Because honestly, I just want to know what that's like. I'm gonna be real though, at some point it's gonna stop getting louder, and I think it's just gonna get more distorted. Now here's where this is tricky, is that the buttons are here. It's not on the trigger. So if you just tape these together with this pressed in, it's gonna automatically activate the siren. Duct tape and solo cups, you might actually... Okay, so duct tape is a given. Obvious tool that we're gonna be using to assemble these. Solo cups, that's unique. You're kind of spitting with that idea. Okay, hang on. We're actually kind of cooking here. I'm trying to think of how to get it all together, because I can't turn them all on and put it together. It's immediately going to turn into a feedback machine. We need to make it so that they're all facing the same way. We're going to need to be pretty quiet, because if we're not quiet, it's going to start feedback looping. Immediate. Literally the minute I turned it on. Are you f***ing real, dog? I think the solution here is to turn them all on at once. You could start yelling, flick them all on, and then your voice will carry first. Let's go through and modify these so I can flick one switch and turn all of them on at once. Okay, wow, this is gonna be pretty easy, I think. This is the power switch right here. We're just gonna tie one there, and shorting across that should take the whole thing shorted as well. All right, now, if I touch these two together, this should turn it on. Yeah, there we go. Spabadabadab. Exactly what we need. Now we just need to make that modification on some other ones. And this, and dude, I think we did it. I think this is literally, this is the most I could conceivably hope of fitting on the table. All right, boys, here goes nothing. 3, 2, 1. Testing! But apparently my voice is 100 decibels when I'm just talking normally, which is a little insane. Here, let's prop this guy over here. Then, if I hit him with a testing, 1, 2, 3, that hit 125 decibels. Holy shit. 125 is shotgun blast territory. I don't think you understand how loud this is, but I think my ears are ringing. I think I need to stop running this.